Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from RITES, RITES, a Navaratna company. When you will go to the official website of rites.com, here in the career section, you can see one recruitment is there of graduate engineer trainee GETs through Get 24 scorecard. Okay, and the last date also they mentioned 24th September. So when you can just click here, you can see the detailed advertisement. Let's have a discussion on this one. So this is the recruitment of graduate engineers trainee GET through GATE 24 scorecard. So RITES, a Navratna Central Public Sector Enterprise under the Ministry of Railways, Government of India, is a premier multidisciplinary consultancy organization in the field of the transport infrastructure and related technologies. Okay, so they are looking for the graduate engineer trainee mechanical and graduate engineer trainee information technology. So number of vacancies in mechanical are 10 and in the information technology number of vacancies are 5. Category wise division is mentioned here, you can just check it out. Okay, so and the maximum age limit is 30 years. Age relaxation is there according to the government rule. Now here, who can apply? The essential qualification in the GET mechanical engineering candidate should have BE Tech in mechanical engineering, mechanical or production and industrial. Then you guys can apply here. Let's check it out. For the IT also, who can apply for the IT bachelor degree in the computer engineering, technology, computer science, degree in engineering in computer application, then all these are applicable. Other than this, electronics and telecommunication students are also eligible here. Electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, postgraduate degree in electronics, and this one are also eligible. So bachelor degree in CS means for this post information technology, electronics students are also eligible, CS students are also eligible, and IT students are also eligible. That is clearly mentioned. And okay, you can see more details also. Now let's come to the sorry, next thing. So they should have minimum 60% marks for the unreserved category I'm talking about. Okay, and yeah, finally the students are also eligible provided they have obtained minimum 60% marks for the general or EWS categories or equivalent CGPA and the aggregate of all years up to the pre-final examination and would be qualifying the laid down educational qualification with requesting marks. So if you are in the final year or final semester, if you are eligible, okay, in this one means if you are having minimum 60% marks, then you are eligible. Okay, relaxation and concession are mentioned. You can check it out, dear students. This one I'm talking about the next thing, selection process. So selection process is purely based on the GATE 24 scorecard. Interested candidates fulfill the eligibility criteria would have appear for the GATE 24 paper as under. For mechanical, okay, you should have the mechanical ME paper code. Now this is interesting. For graduate engineer trainee information technology, okay, you should write down if you are from the EC, but if you did not write your paper, okay, in the GATE 24 with the CS, then you are not eligible. So this should be CS. Okay, CS. So if you are having the paper code CS, then you are eligible here. Otherwise, no. Okay, and candidates obtaining the valid marks shall only be eligible for the next stage of selection. Okay, this is clearly mentioned. Okay. Now the weightage is here. They mention the weightage also for the gate mark 75% weightage and interview 25% weightage. So they will shortlist you on the basis of your GATE scorecard only. Then they will call you for the interview first of all. Nature and period of engagement, here it is mentioned selected candidate will be on the training for a period of 2 months. On completion of training period, they will be engaged as an assistant manager in the IDA pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 on the probation for a period of 1 year. Okay, and remuneration, let's talk about the pay scale will be between 40,000 to 1,40,000 during the training period, and they mention the complete also including all the allowances. Your final CTC will be assistant managers shall be as 14.27 lakh per annum. The approximate emoluments on engagement, this will be okay. Now service agreement is there. Yes, fees. So for filling the form, if you are from general or OBC candidate, you need to pay 600 rupees plus applicable charges. Okay, EWS, ST, SC, PWD candidates 300 plus applicable charges. Online application is there only. You need to fill the form Okay, for any difficulty you can directly contact on this one also. Okay, how to apply the process is mentioned step by step. Please check it out, the process. Okay, which documents you need to submit here, it also mentioned at the last of this one. You can see in this PDF every detail is mentioned, dear students. Okay, and venue and time will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates only for the final selection. This is the official website www.rights.com. Okay, and okay, last day of month in which final exam or qualification. This mention about the final students also. Okay, now the last date. Again, I'm coming to, it's already started. Form filling already started from the 30th of the August. Today is the 4th September. The last date will be 24th September 2024, dear students. Before that, you can fill the form. If you think this information is helpful for you, you should like this video. Just subscribe our YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.